Hello guys, so today is August 1st. It is 6:23 a.m. so that's super fun time. Today's move-in day, so I am all packed up. We're headed to the airport and we gotta get a move on. Basically, we're flying in today and spending the whole day moving in, getting my house ready to be lived in. We land at like 11 a.m. LA time. So like we have most of the day to get stuff done, unpack, all that stuff, and yeah, it's been really fun. I'm so excited. Literally, I've been waiting for this for pretty much all summer. I'm so excited. I'm so done with being home. Even if it's not really school, like I'm kind of going back to school, so yeah, I'm excited. So anyway, I gotta get ready to go to the airport and let's do it. Here's my airport outfit. We got Mad Happy sweatshirt. These shorts are Brandy, and then this gray top is from Target. This little headband from Zara, and that's the outfit.
Oh gosh. 58.4. Magic moment. Oh,
what is it?
50.2.
I think they'll let it slide. Peanut, you're coming with us to the airport. Come on. Yeah. Yay. Adventure time. Why is it so crowded? It's so crowded here. How are so many people needing to travel right now? Finally made it. It's like 12:06 right now. It took a really long time to get a rental car figured out, but we did that. Everyone's already at the house. We're gonna be a little late. We're gonna go grab some food really quick and then just bring it to the house because all my roommates are already there unpacking and we really need to start. So yeah, we're starving. It's like 3 p.m. East Coast time, so it's a little late. Okay, now a little change of plans. So my time slot to go on campus and get my car is like 1 to 1:30 or 1 to 2. It's almost 1 now. So we're actually gonna stop and get my car first. And then I had to fill out a health check form to get onto campus to confirm we don't have corona. And we should be off and on like as soon as possible. So it's like a whole ordeal. But anyway, we gotta get my car. My car has all my stuff in it. Drive it to the house, unpack a bit, and then go to Ikea maybe and get some stuff we need for the house. And yeah, lots to do. It's also almost 1, so we don't have a lot of time. My car has been here since March, basically, so I haven't had a car in a very long time. I miss it. Hope it's okay. It's in like sub-level 3 of this huge building, and it's been sitting there. And I've been paying my car payments every month, even though I can't drive it. It's totally empty. Last time I filmed this exact footage, we were moving in. There it is. It's down there. There she is. Yay! Almost a full battery. Now, wait, actually I don't remember how to drive. Oh, I have to unplug it, duh. Okay, now we're ready. Off to the house. And Mia. Mia!
I haven't even seen it yet.
Oh, we got it in a fridge. You wanna say hi?
Hey!
Wow, it's so big. My rug's here. I have like 5 billion packages in there. Okay, so here is a little empty room tour. There's a little fireplace. I'm gonna fill it with some plants. This is the start of my collection. And this is everything else in my car. And then here is the bathroom. It actually opens up to the courtyard, but yeah, I got all that in here. And then the shower is in here. Okay, now off to Ikea. We're kind of just like leaving my room how it is. I don't really want to deal with it now. And we're gonna get like a lot of like kitchen stuff, and I'm gonna get like a couple like furniture things like lamps, a side table. We'll see what else. Okay, so the sign is huge. Starting the plant collection. Okay, here's all the nightstands. I want one with a drawer. Like this one would be good. What is it called? Oh, yeah. I guess really any of these would work. I'm not that picky. Oh, this little carpet's cute. I feel like one of these chairs for my desk. I don't need a rolling chair. Maybe like a clear chair, like one of these. Oh, yay, shopping carts. I got it. Do you need a meat tenderizer?
Yeah, you probably do.
Okay.
Oh, do you want a grater?
Yeah, a cheese grater.
For the knives?
Yeah, sure. You need all the forks and... Oh wait, no, we're getting that at Target. We should get some serving trays.
Oh, mixing bowls.
Oh yeah, mixing bowls for sure. Okay, we didn't get a lot of kitchen supplies, but we checked some stuff off the list. Now I need like a bunch of fake plants for my room. So, like I want like a lamp, but I don't have to get that here.
Those are real. Some of these are real, honey.
Oh, okay.
Don't forget.
All these are good. I feel like I need some bigger ones for some balance.
This is good. This is good.
Okay, so we got the clear chair for my desk. I feel like that'll make my room look less cluttered, you know?
Yes.
My nightstand was out of stock. And it's not available online.
And look at
Home Goods,
I'm good.
Target. Really out of like everything.
Can I say hi to the vlog?
Hey vlog. Now it's like 8. We're waiting for our food. We're just gonna hang out, but my room's still a mess. Nothing's changed. But I want to show you guys Madison and Mia's room because it looks really good, and I like being in here more than my room.
So we're currently sitting on my rug.
It's a cute rug.
I don't. Should I like name where things are from?
No,
just,
maybe not yet. Just a little overview.
Here's what we got going on. We're working with the space. I have a little mishap. They sent me the wrong color headboard.
Yeah.
But the rest of the pieces
It's hard to tell though. The headboard's a little different than that.
It's a little pink, which Ella usually is.
I do like it.
Should we show them this? I feel like they might
Oh,
like
I
that.
love this. Is the lamp she found at Home Goods. It's
You guys.
the most unique lamp I've ever seen.
And I'm just a unique gal.
We
so
love
I feel
it.
Like
It's
really.
soft too.
Yeah. That's
Yay.
what we have going. Ella's
Love
room, I'm
it.
sure, will be like the best of all of us.
It's chaotic
but-
now. We'll get to
No,
it.
We'll get to it. It's fine. Not worried.
Yeah, do you want to go to your room or not?
Yeah, we can go to mine.
Should we like show how we have the secret?
Oh yes,
We have this
okay.
weird little room.
So Madison, you can basically leave the house and we wouldn't know. So there's this room, and then there's a door like outside, like
We
you can
locked
leave.
it.
Oh, that's good. I would not remember that.
But,
And then we've got the laundry situation. Got a
Also,
little-
random, a lot of goodies.
Let me turn on the lights. So it's a little messy because I was laying down on it, but this is what we've got going on.
Cute.
It's coming together.
I like that mirror.
Thank you.
show them the
It's a
book
good
that Mia
Oh,
got. How cool is
isn't
that?
that
cool. Where'd you
Mia
get
just
that?
really popped off with that.
Amazon.
Oh,
Out of
we
the
love
blue.
Amazon.
And then I got my dresser going. I'm still unpacking.
Oh my god, your
but
ring light.
I know. We're gonna make a lot, of TikToks. Full house person,
This
I'm sure.
is Jordan's room. Where's her light?
Oh.
She's
Yay,
getting there.
Getting
Jordan,
there.
we're in the same boat. I can show a little update of my room. I showed like the sunroom.
Let's show Ella's room, you guys.
This is the living
You guys not being
room.
transparent at all.
I know, I'm like all the way across the house, very separated. So yeah, this is my room.
You're the only one that can see the sky.
I know, but everyone can see in my window. We got a fireplace that I want to put my plants in.
Look at all these
my God,
plants
it's
that
literally
you got.
just plants. I got a fan.
Oh,
I got a
Ella,
trash can.
How can we forget
Oh
these?
my god, my unicorn horn, the
Oh,
essentials. I have like all
the
my Halloween
essentials.
stuff in there. This is my fake cowhide rug from Amazon. It was like 70, 80 bucks. It's pretty good. And then I have this carpet. All I have is a bunch of rugs. And plants. Lots of rugs and plants. We're getting there, guys. We took out some of the stuff from the boxes just to get that out of the way. But yeah, we're just gonna leave it like this for tonight. Deal with it tomorrow. My bathroom is a complete mess, but that's also a tomorrow problem. So I decided to stay in my mom's hotel room for the night just because I don't have a mattress, but it did actually finally ship, so hopefully it'll be here soon. But anyway, that's gonna be it for today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments down below if you want to see some more college type vlogs. I have a ton more coming, but if you have any suggestions, let me know. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Ella_Elbells. And I'll see you guys next Saturday. Bye!